What's up everybody, it's Sean here and I'm back today to give you guys a review of the Adidas Forum 84 Low in this white and red colorway. Today's video was brought to you by the good people from Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell eTPU insoles, which essentially is the same material they use for Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside of your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below, and you'll see they sell 4 different insole options. So depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, whether that's for a pair of winter boots or for sneakers, you're gonna find there's an insole suitable for everybody. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and I honestly stand by their products. They truly are very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SeanGo at checkout to get 15% off your entire purchase. So this is the Adidas Forum 84 Low, and with 84 being in its name, you know this is the more premium take of their Forum silhouette. So this pair dropped last month for a price of $100 US or 130 here in Canada, and the official colorway for this shoe is Cloud White, Cream White, and Team Power Red. So if you've been following sneakers at all for the past couple of years, you know that Adidas has been really pushing the Forum. Originally released back in the 80s, this was at the time their marquee basketball silhouette, but they brought it back now in modern times, and it's become a very popular lifestyle and casual use shoe. So diving straight into the details, on the toe box, this is constructed out of this off-white or sail colored leather and has a perforated finish to it. Surrounding the outer edge of the toe box, we have that same smooth leather, and to the touch, this leather feels very soft to the touch and it feels very high quality. Moving downwards, we have this thin strip of white colored leather, and then moving downwards, we have more of that sail or off-white leather covering the eyelets, and then beneath this, we have the Adidas 3 Stripes, which is constructed out of the shaggy red colored suede. Moving downwards, we have more of that white leather, which loops around the back end of the shoe, and stamped on the lateral side only, we have the Adidas Trefoil logo. Taking a look at the medial side, we have this beige colored suede, which covers a good portion of the mid panel and wraps around the heel of the shoe. And then above this, you'll see that we have that signature strap, which is constructed out of white leather, and it's held together using Velcro. And unlike the normal Forum Lows, this 84 version, the strap is actually connected to the rest of the shoe, so if you want to remove this, you do have to cut it off yourself. For the laces, these come with these cream colored laces in this flat style, and then underneath this, we have this nylon tongue, which is done in this vintage looking off-white or cream color. And at the very top, we have this tag with the Adidas Trefoil branding in red. So the inner liner of the shoe and the insole, they're both done in this bold red colored finish. And the insole in this case is just your standard foam insole, but we have this sticker on the heel with specific Adidas Forum branding. Surrounding the bottom of the back half of the shoe, we have this red colored TPU heel clip, which gives you added structure and additional containment for the back half of the shoe. The upper of the sneaker sits atop this yellowed vintage looking rubber cup sole. We have Adidas branding on the lateral side of the heel, and if I flip the shoe over to the medial side, you'll see in the middle we have this foam wedge, and covering the foam we have this red colored netting, which is what Adidas calls Dellinger Web. And this helps contain the foam and give it that added springiness and responsiveness. Turning the shoe over to the bottom, so here we have your classic Forum outsole. So this is constructed out of a combination of red and cream colored rubber, and we have this pivot point on the forefoot, which is done in this contrasting blue finish. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Forums. And for those wondering how these fit, to me, the Forum fits me perfectly fine true to size. So I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me spot on. Next up, from a comfort standpoint, I'd say that the Forum is okay. It's nothing amazing, and I wouldn't say that it's a very comfortable shoe. Keep in mind again, this is a shoe from 1984, so it's going to be perfectly fine for just an everyday casual use sneaker, but I wouldn't say that it's particularly that comfortable. To me, it kind of feels like a heavier Air Jordan 1 almost, so it'll give you a very stable, low to the ground feel, but beyond that, there's not too much. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship on this pair, so just like the majority of the other Forum 84 releases, I thought that the quality of the materials on this shoe were great. Especially for the price point of 130 Canadian or 100 US dollars, the leather you're getting feels very nice to the touch, and similarly the suedes as well felt very premium too. And in terms of the overall build and the craftsmanship, I thought my pair was pretty much flawless. I really had no complaints at all, so a very good job from Adidas. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace up these forms and I'll show you guys how these look on feet. To me, this colorway is the quintessential retro take on this form silhouette. This really looks like it leapt straight from the pages of 1984. And while in many ways it's very similar to the Home Alone forms I reviewed not too long ago, the quality and the craftsmanship on this pair is much better compared to those. The one issue I have is, of course, this strap. I'm just not a fan of it. So when it comes down to it, I am probably gonna cut this off. And I think it just looks much cleaner and much simpler by rocking these strapless. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this white and red Adidas Forum 84 Low. What are your thoughts on this colorway? Is this something you guys would pick up and rock? Or are you just not a big fan of the form in general? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at esco8. Check me out on my Twitter account at sean.go and visit my website at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you everyone for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully it helped you in some way, and I'll catch you guys all in my next review.